I like structures. That's what excites me the most. I love the days when you come in and you collect X-ray diffraction data and you solve a structure, and then you all of a sudden get to see how this little molecular machine works right down to the atomic level. And that's really exciting. My name's Alistair Boraston. Most people call me Al. We are a structural glycobiology lab. We solve the structures of proteins, so we're interested in how proteins work at a molecular level. But the glycobiology side of things is we're also really interested in sugars and how they function in nature, and how the two go together are the proteins that we work on. They often interact with or modify sugars, and so that's the biological context. Training as a scientist at UVic and within our unit, I think is a fabulous experience just because of the breadth of exposure that students get to different expertises, hands-on in the labs, and I'm talking at the undergraduate level as well as the graduate level. There's lots of things that people can experience, and so I think that our students, whether they're undergraduates or graduates, they come out at the end of it actually really well trained and ready for whatever is going to happen next.